Welcome back, family, to day 3 of our Buff Booster Tournament. 5-star, no nature. So let's check out to see how defense is doing. Wonderful. Oh, man, I just love it. Of course, you know I'm being sarcastic. And then I had 2 losses for day 2. So let's see if I can get through without losing any. Fingers crossed. All right, so let's begin. Okay. I think I know what I'm going to change here. Let's do Ursena. Make sure she has the right troop, I think. Oh, wait, this one it's this one. Oh, I was thinking it was that other one. I can't even remember. Let's see here. Deals 395% damage to the target. I wonder if you can block this. All right. So, and we have Shawl and the dog. This is what, that's only for Shaw, but hopefully this will kill him. Okay. I like what I have, and this one does bleed damage, huh? Oh, yeah, okay. So I think I have a slightly good chance of winning, although their team power is, wow, it exceeds mine. So let's see if I could actually add some emblems. That won't really make too big of a difference. That's the healing bonus. Well, I could use it. So there's that. And then June. How many monk emblems do I have? Oh, let's see. I can do a few. So we have shield and heart. And then I normally use this one. So we have heart and sword. I'm not really worried too much about his health. Well, actually his attack. So let's just do... Okay, let's do that and that. And then we have sword and shield, heart and shield. I don't think I really want to use any more. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to go to the... I think, how much is this one? 50? Okay, I think that's it. Okay, no more. Okay, cool. Let's see how much of a difference that makes. Pray for me, family. I'm going to start with this one first. Let's do that. Let's see if they deprive me of holy tiles. I have to figure out how I'm going to use them. What would be the best move? Okay. Well, she only hits one target, so... Oh. Oh, honestly. Oh, that's right. Soulbound, if she dies, I die. Well, it was a loss. Anyway. Well, I have to keep in mind that their team power exceeded mine by 1,000. Okay. So no holy heroes. Even though you understand why you lose, it's still not fun to lose. Okay. I think I might have 2 healers this time. It doesn't matter though, they end up killing them right away. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the AI just tends to target the healers right away. I don't know. I don't believe that's just a coincidence. Gonna have to replicate what they're doing. So we're gonna need a secondary healer. So I'm gonna use this Ursena against Iset. And am I gonna need a cleanse? Let's check this out. I don't really think so. Oh, this hero. I'm gonna need more of a dispel. Do I? Let's see what I'm gonna do here. A dispel. Well, I want another healer that dispels. Although I don't want to go with 2 colors. I don't think I have one in Holy. Well, she has a good chance, but it's not another healer. But she cleanses status helmets. Okay, I think I'm gonna just have to bite the bullet and go with the. Although I could use her. Oh no, Vivica. I really don't have any fast heroes. Well, except for Lassie. So the idea is to do blues against Elba and this one. Fulvia. What does she do? Oh, hell of a lot of damage. So we are going to need cleanse for sure. I don't think this one cleanses, does she? No. And then we have her. Oh, wait, she's the healer. We need the dispel. Oh, wait, she cleanses, doesn't she? Her passive does, huh? Okay, I think I could. That might work. Is she slow? She is. Okay. Well, let's put in someone that's fast just to give us a leg up. Okay, a dispel there. Right? We have. Maybe I should make her cleanse instead. No, that's a dispel. This one's the cleanse on the original. I think I might have to do that just in case. Let's check this out. Or should I do the No. I'm thinking, should I go for extra boosted health? We have a dispel. All right, let me not think about this too much. I think we'll do with that. No, yeah, we'll just leave it alone. Okay, let's go for it. All right, I got at least 2 ice matches. Let me see what happens. Hold on. Let's look at this again. Wait, no. Oh, okay. Let's see here what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to take some damage. But we'll also take out some... we'll have casualties on their end. We'll use that. Then... oh, wait a minute. What's this mean? After 4 turns, recovers 1,000 health. Okay, we just got to kill her. So let's go with these 3. It's going to hurt. Now... who should I do? I think we need a ghosting lane. Okay, cool. Oh, I dispelled it right away, huh? Ah, it's all right. So we don't necessarily have... oh, wait, she cleanses, huh? Let's go for it. Okay, yes. Although she didn't cleanse it from herself. Got 2 ice matches. All right, that was sweet. Oh, I'm nervous though. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. I think they have just 1 healer, huh? I think instead of Thorn, maybe I should use Scotty, and then we'll switch her off for Casa Marjana to have 2 forms of Dispel. In case this guy goes off before I can kill him. But then I have Alpha Taunt. Okay, let's go for it. I think I'm gonna worry about Vivica last. She's my least concern. But this chick over here... oh, wait a minute. Let's see what we're gonna do. Okay. Yeah. No more Vivica. No more in her. Okay. We need to get rid of... what's her name again? Mad Hammer. Let's see here. Should I worry about her or... now I'll save him for Scotty. Okay, cool. Wow, the poison damage stuck. The frost damage should get rid of those minions. Yep. She resisted. Okay. Wow, that was a lot of reflect damage. Will this kill Vivica? No. Okay. It's looking good. All right. Well, why would you have him in the corner? Why? All right. Is this the autofill? Let's see here. 1288, 1108. Wait, 1108, 1099, 1089, 1083. I guess it is. Okay. So we're going to need. Why would you have him in the corner? Okay, he's. Oh boy, let me not stress. Oh, okay. Anyway, I'm gonna get over that. So we're going to have. Let's see here. We're gonna keep her in. Let's use Ursina. Let me see. Do I need to cleanse anything? I do. Okay. Let's use this bad boy here. And then I think we're gonna go with Regard, right? I'm gonna need an ice hero. So now should I use another healer? Or Lassie? I have 3 fast, well, 1 very fast. She's gonna need this one. I wonder if I had put that troop on her last time. Okay, let's see here. He has a 9, she has the 11. The chance to bypass, right? Isn't that what that is? Okay. Although, let me switch places with these two. Even though it really doesn't seem to matter. Let's give her the 23 again. Okay. Let's go. Do you smell what the rock is cooking? All right, so I'm gonna worry about the left side since, what is this guy's name? Gilligan, huh? Here on Gilligan's Isle. So he could potentially kill himself. I think we should set that plan in motion, actually. Damn, I was hoping to kill him myself. Or have him kill himself. Okay. But I shouldn't complain, right? A kill is a kill. Unless it comes from the opponents, then I can complain. I'm the one with freedom, not you. Oh, boy. Okay. Our last flag. Now we're going to need ailment protection. Okay. Let's go with that. I don't think there's minions, are there? No. Let's go with Thorn. Do we have a fast and ice? Okay, so let's go with Regard. Then we're going to use... I think we're going to give her another shot. Where is she? Grazul. Although I think I might need to put some more emblems on her. She's... Oh, wow, 1592. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, I have plenty. Okay. So we're going to go the health. Oh, I don't have enough food. Let's save that. Wow, these things. Forgot all about them. All right. Oh, they changed the order. It used to be in descending order. Okay. Okay. Now let's go back. No. Okay. Oh, I'm not going to worry about that one. Okay, that should bring her up to speed. Now we have a very fast, a fast to average. I think we're going to need another fast hero. So who should we use in ice? Or should we use Frida? Let's swap troops. 11. Okay. Let's give this a shot. Or should I give... Actually, you know what? Let's give her the defense troop. What is that? 17%? 16%. 1% difference. Nah, let's just stick with this one. All right. Let's go. Not a very confident looking board. Goes for my healer. I'm not going to worry about you. So, I think we're going to worry about the right half. Damn. Let's see if I can get another ice tile up here before this guy goes off. Okay. That was so... I just need... Killed by the weak tile. Mwah! Beautiful. Oh, that was fantastic. Oh, boy, I feel... Oh, man, that was great. All right. Thanks for watching, family, and I will catch you for day 4.